Hello there, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm showing you how to make a fluffy shaggy mat using a sack. A sack. That's how it will look at the back. As you can see, it is neat. So you're going to require a sack, a sack, chunk yarn, a pair of scissors, crochet. You can use this type of crochet or this one. They are both the same, or they are both using the same method. So guys, if you haven't clicked on the subscribe button, kindly do so. I'll appreciate so much. Also remember to like the video and to leave a comment. I'll get back to you. You're going to take your yarn, and for every fluffy line that you make, you're going to skip a line that is in the sack. There are those lines that are in the sack, so you are going to skip a line to ensure that your mat is correctly spaced. So in this case, I will skip this line here and move to the next one. Then I'll insert my crochet like this. Then I'll take my yarn and pull it like that. Then because this is my starting point, I'm going to make a knot to secure the yarn. Insert your crochet approximately at 1/2 centimeter distance or spacing. So you will insert it, then you'll insert your yarn like that and pull to create a loop. The size of this loop, it's determined by you. If you want a shaggy mat that is too fluffy, you can increase the size, but for me I like it when it's small, it's manageable. So you will also get to the next using the same, approximating the same spacing, that is 1/2 centimeter spacing. Then you do the same and you pull like that. So this method is easy, fast, and also it saves on your yarns. So you will remove your crochet after you've made enough loops. You remove your crochet and then you use a pair of scissors to cut the loops to create the fluffiness. So that is how it looks. Then using this other crochet, if you have this one, the method is still the same. So you're going to insert, still using the same spacing, that is 1/2 centimeter. You create your loops like that. Then you remove, set to the first one, and then cut the loops. So that is how you make a fluffy shaggy mat using a sack. You can see how it will look at the back. It is neat. So guys, you can try this method and tell me in the comment section how it's going to come out. Remember to like the video and also to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I appreciate so much. So thank you for watching this video. Much appreciation.